Hey folks, when you're building a schedule and you click on the name of a service along the left and look to the info box, you can ask it for more than one call slot. This is typically used when you want to put more than one person in the same thing, same assignment each day. Once you do that, you can actually alter the names of these call slots if you want to. We can call this anything we want, and it might end up with a different name, but it does mean that these three slots are still tied together. So if I try to move them around, all three will flow together and they're stuck together. These three rows live together. They can't be separated because they're three call slots that are part of the same service. The thing that you'll want to do instead, if you want some free movable rows on the schedule, is to head to File and General Setup. In the General Setup window, head to the Services tab and add a new service here. By default, that service is going to end up as the bottom row on your schedule grid. Now it's an empty row, but it's free and it can be moved between any other services that we want. Now to get some of your LinkedIn slots, those three slots that are stuck together, to be free moving, what I would probably recommend is right click on one of your existing slots and then copy entire year, so copy row entire year, and then on the new row you'll end up right clicking and pasting full year. That puts all your assignments in and takes them away from this row. Well, it doesn't take them away, it copies them, so I haven't cut anything. They still exist, so you can kind of eyeball things and make sure they match up. But once that's done, you don't need this slot anymore. The old slot can be removed. The easiest way to do it is to right-click and remove row. I am going to delete this row and all of its assignments because they live in a new row now. And now we have a free moving service that I can put anywhere I'd like. The other two still exist, so I'd repeat that process if I had another row that I needed to kind of separate from its service. But now this is an independent service with one single call slot, which is how I'd recommend setting up any new rows as well. Make them a new service under File and General Setup. Add your assignments in there, but leave them as a one call slot service. That way they can be clicked and dragged up and down, put in any order that you'd like. I hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.